Hello. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your presentation in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, when you are working in Google Slides, you don't need to worry about saving your project because the project is normally saved on the go while you are working on your presentation. So each and every time you make any change, Google Slide normally saves your project on Google Drive, and you can see it here. It is represented by this sign here. Now I want you to look at this. Should I go and make any change on this slide, it will go ahead and save or capture the change immediately. For instance, if I add doctor, look at that, it is saving here and it has been saved to Drive. Should you need to download it or save it on your computer, then head to files here and then click on download, and you can now download your computer in any of these formats when you choose them. So that's how you can save your project on Google Slides. If you have any other question, can let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.